Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Hey guys, good morning, good evening. How y'all guys doing? I'm Clyde Demery and welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. Didn't get on the water as early as I expected this morning, but hey, nevertheless, we're on the water. Let's do what we do. This morning I am throwing the sexy shad trailer bait, sexy shad chatterbait, and I have the Saucy Swimmer Junior on it. I think this is the ghost color. So let's get to throwing. Let's see if we can get some on the line this morning. Maybe I should have brought that sweater with me. There's a lot of air on the water this morning. Well, if I need to, I'll go back and get it. I saw some. We need to have this one on. I saw a little activity on the water over here this morning. So I'm gonna check out this cove right here. See if I can get anything to bite this morning. Usually it'd be big bass. Used to be big bass that stays in this cove. This cove right here. The water has changed. We had a cool rain last night. It probably brought the temperature down just a little bit. So let's see what happens this morning. Uh-oh. Got one. Second cast. Oh wow. Second cast, guys. I mean, he engulfed this thing. Now, when you see it down there like that, that's what they want. Let's do it this way. He really engulfed this thing, guys. So, oh man, good shot. First cast this morning. I mean, second cast. Nice one. Should I do a short this morning? Let's do a short. All right, guys, let's get this little guy back in the water. Second cast, guys, first bass. Let's go. Let's go. All right, got the first one, y'all. Let's see if we can get a few more in the boat. We're looking for a big one today, guys. I want a big one. Well, actually, I want a couple big ones. So let's see what happens. Still kind of windy out here, though. I might have to go get my sweater. Okay, that's a nice one. Boy, this water is so warm, guys. That's a nice one right there. All right, guys, getting back in the water. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. The sun is warm, but that air is cool this morning. But you know something, I love fishing in water when it's got a little ripple on the water. That makes a good day of fishing. Oh, I think I got one. Yeah. Yeah, I got one. Yes, sir. Okay, they're getting a little bigger. Feel like it. Okay, feel like they're getting a little bigger, guys. Oh yeah. Feel like they're getting a little bigger. But if you notice something about these bass, they're kind of chunky, but they narrow. They long and kind of narrow, but they're not skinny. So, guys, second bass, they're getting nicer. So let's look for that big one, okay? Let's see if we can find them. Let's go. But we're still looking for that big one. So we're gonna focus on the big one today. Might have switch up and throw some different stuff, but hey, let's see if we can find that big one, okay? Uh-oh. Oh. I don't know what kind of hook set that was. Oh man, he got off. Hey, that's what it's all about. Come on, big one. Come on. You know, the bass, the water everywhere is lower than where it used to be. So it's causing the bass have to come pull back further from the bank because the water level is not as high as it used to be. Look at one. Oh yeah. There's one right there. He got off, but he wasn't as big. He was smaller, so they are up on the bank. They are on the bank. So it won't hard to figure these bad boys out. Usually out here, chatterbait does pretty good out here. Chatterbait, crankbaits, lipless crankbaits, worms, they usually do pretty good. So when you find a niche, just hang right there with it. One thing about this water from the bank, it comes out, then it just drops off. Look at that. I just let it drop, and that bass just nailed it. You know, took me all the way around. Come here, buddy. You're a little bigger than I thought. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah, he's a little bigger. Oh yeah. All right, guys. They're getting a little bigger, guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep grinding. See if we can find that big one so I can get them on the board. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. strong little bass, man. Oh, so this is the biggest one I've caught yet. Look like it. Check that out, guys. Alright, guys. Right species, but not the right size. Let's get it back in the water. Thanks, buddy. I told you. I knew I had to come back to this. I knew I had to come back to it. It's a nice one. Okay. That's a nice one. Boy, this water is so warm, guys. That's a nice one right there. Alright, guys, let's get him back in the water. Oh, I think I got one. Yeah. Yeah, I got one. Yes, sir. Okay, they're getting a little bigger. Feel like it. Okay, feel like they're getting a little bigger, guys. Oh yeah, feel like they're getting a little bigger. But if you notice something about these bass, they're kind of chunky, but they narrow. They long and kind of narrow, but they're not skinny. All right, let's get them back. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. One more. Oh. Come here, buddy. Stop all that playing around. Oh man, y'all watch this. It's right inside of his mouth. I don't want to rip that out, but can't rip out, guys. Let's get him back in the water. Thanks, buddy. They're gonna win. 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 They're gonna win right there. That one right there. I think I got 7. Woohoo! Let's get him back. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Got one more. All right, guys, still out here fishing, still out here using the chatterbait. The wind has died down a little bit and seem like they biting a little bit more. They have stopped one time. Let's get them back in the water and see if we can keep it going. All right, guys, let's get this little fellow back in the water. Healthy little bass too. So let's get him back. Thanks, buddy. Really appreciate it.